Hey, it's FCA eating my candy apple. You do want to eat this in a controlled environment because once it gets humid and out, it does kind of go down very quickly. I also bought cotton candy. Where did I get these things from? Well, it was really last minute. I didn't even pack properly because it was so last minute. We ended up going on the vacation I was supposed to go twice in the last 2 months. We finally went to a theme park and the beach, and I will show you that footage. We're in the McDonald's drive-thru getting ready to go to our trip to Erie. MCB. Oh, here they come.
I'm pretty sure it's all time.
Oh, Evan and Orion and your dad.
Yay!
I know.
We saw.
That's what I seen when they were cleaning. I said, I was watching them clean. Somebody got sick. And I know.
We didn't get to stop.
The water's cold. Cold water.
Carry all the way down and dunk in a little bit.
No.
That's only 3 feet deep. I'm not going to do that. That's going to come up to like here on me. Maybe I'm just not a right person.
Huh?
Maybe I'm just not a right person.
Why?
I don't know. This doesn't feel right.
You're just not used to it, darling.
Or maybe it's speed thing or something like that. Andrew started raising your hand.
can do that.
Yeah. But yeah, the further we turn it, the more it spins. So, yeah, if you look out on my hand right up there.
We're having a nice, gentle little swirl of tea.
Just
And they're like a tornado.
yeah, you know, gentle.
Not the most pleasant sound in the world. I must admit.
No, but I mean.
I'm not. Well, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. It's very Oh, that's great. Where does it end? Oh, this is yeah, this is cool. Let's get out of here. Ah, there's floating heads. Oh, I see sunlight. I like that. Okay. Good.
That's so fast.
When you get momentum on it, it does like to go.
Yeah.
Like now. Here we go.
Oh.
And again. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh. Fuck.
You're okay. We're okay. We're good. Just hold on tight.
Oh.
It's fine right now. You're good.
Yep. Oh.
Lean my way, then it'll hit me. There you go.
Oh. Yep, it's the spinny rides I don't like.
That's unfortunate. Those are the low rides. Here we go.
like actually pretty like. Not my right.
You'll see boats on the other side too, but they can't get really close to the beach.
We're at the beach now. We're unloading all this stuff in the truck. No, it's
Watch Orion, because this is where it's like, once you get to the, because your dad said it was up to here, and Joel said it was up to the shoulders. That's
more shallow out there.
That was Moses. They basically go, if you know what it is,
When you turn to port, where are you going? Left. Good. Away from me.
No, you're not far enough up. You're still getting water.
real easy with it.
I also have the Remedy hair mask from Overtone. This came in the mystery box. And then I have my Sunday soothing mask. Because I was saving that one for after the beach. We went to the beach today. We packed up and we had to come back. We couldn't stay too much longer anyway because Will and I do have to work tomorrow. We weren't able to get it off. Got the candle going. Added the bubbles. Ooh. Look how soothing that looks with the candlelight. But that's where I'm going to end this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, my lovely humans.